सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक्निकल हीटर चैनल को और बेल आइकन दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Welcome back guys. In today's video we are going to talk about Telegram that has received an update to version 4.7. So without any delay, let's get started. Friends, instant messaging app Telegram has received an update to version 4.7. The new update enables support for multiple accounts on Android devices, while its iOS counterpart has brought 4 different themes and various accent colors. The app now also includes quick replies, similar to what has so far been experienced on WhatsApp, for both Android and iOS devices. Leveraging the multiple account support on the updated Telegram app, you can add up to 3 accounts with different phone numbers. You don't need to own 3 different Android devices to operate any of the distinguished account, as the app itself provides you with the solution. You can quickly switch between the added accounts from the slide menu to send messages from any particular phone number. It is worth nothing here that notification will be available from all accounts by default, though there is an option to change this by going to the notification settings. For iOS devices, the updated Telegram app has the relevant option to let you change its look. You need to visit the appearance setting and then choose between the available 4 themes, including a minimalistic day and 2 dark themes, namely night and night blue. The day theme also comes with the ability to let you change its view by picking a suitable accent colors for the entire app. To match the experience of the WhatsApp, the Telegram team has also added support for quick replies that are available for both Android and iOS devices. You just need to swipe left on any messages in a chat to quickly reply to the same with a text, emoji, sticker or GIF. The feature-rich Telegram version 4.7 is available for download on Android and iOS via Google Play Store and App Store, respectively. It debuts weeks after the Telegram version 4.6 that brought the features such as the auto-downloading media, better link previews, albums in secret chats, improved security, and embeds for messages for public groups and channels. So that's it guys. If you love this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share your views in the comment section, and thanks for watching.